Welcome, I'm from the Meizu M6T, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the power saving mode, which, let's see if I can find it. So it looks like it's actually not here. So we're going to go into the settings and then go under the battery. And from here you have the low power mode. As you can see, it's right now off, so let's go into it and turn on. So let's enable it now. Enabling low power mode. It gives you a notification. Device location for OPSA is turned off, and you may not be able to locate your device if it's lost. It's kind of weird, but I guess we could turn on location here. Now, the reason that it actually does disable location is to save the battery. So if you're not planning to use it, you can just keep it off if you wanted to. If you decided to turn it on, you can turn it off from here as well. So just close, and as you can see now it's off. Now, right now that when it's enabled, it will probably also lose access to Wi-Fi and mobile network when the device goes to sleep. So meaning when the screen is turned off and you're not using the device for several minutes, it will just disconnect from both of those. And if you rely on notifications from like Facebook or whatever, things like that, then you won't actually receive them till you unlock the device again. So when you light it up, it will reconnect automatically. So just keep that in mind if you're not getting notifications as you are used to that. Now once you're done with this mode, all you need to do is again go back into the settings under the battery right here and simply go back and disable now. And there we go, it's now turned off. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.